Okay, guys, so let's do our calendar for today. So let's do our days of the week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, so now that we've talked about the days of the week, Sunday, there's 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There we go. I did it wrong again, but there's 7 days in the week. Okay, so yesterday, so let's talk about yesterday. Let me move these. There we go. So yesterday was Tuesday. So that means today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday when I come back. Okay, so now we need to figure out what number goes here. So let's count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So here's the number 26. You're going to start hearing me say it has 2 10s and 6 1s because we're talking about place value. So when we talk about place value, that means how much that number is worth. Okay. So today is Wednesday, August 26th, 2020. So let's go ahead and put that. Oh, before we do that, let's talk about our pattern. It's an A-B pattern, and we talked about that earlier. That when you start a pattern, you start with A. And if that pattern changes, you go to the next letter in the alphabet, which is B. So let's do the pattern again. So we have circle, square, circle, square. What goes next? Circle. Okay, so today we did the A part of our pattern. So what should go tomorrow? Circle, square, circle, square, circle. We'll see that tomorrow. Okay, so let's go down here to today's date, and let's talk about our months, because we will talk about the months in the next slide. I just looked over to the slide. So let's talk about the date. Here's the number date from yesterday. So that was Tuesday. So today is Wednesday. So this number in the middle will change to 26 because the number after 25 is 26. So you're going to hear me say what's the number before and what number goes after. The number after 25 is 26. And yesterday we talked about each month has a number. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So that's why we put it 8 there. And this is the year that we live in. So let me move my screen. Let me move it right here. Did you see that? Okay. So today, let's move Monday back because we don't need Monday anymore. So today, we need to change. So yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. So the day after. So today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. So now let's do our months of the year. We have 12 months in the year. You ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. We'll do that when we get back in class. So the month of the year is August. August, we're still in the summertime, so it's really hot right now, really, really hot. And the weather today is going to be rainy. So let's put the dark, let's put the rain, we'll say it's blue. It's like water. Yeah. So we'll put, so how many sunny days have we had this week? 2, 1, 2. So let's count 1, 2. How many days have we had rain this week? 1. It's not going to rain all day, but there's going to be rain today. So I decided to change it. We might see the sun, we might not see the sun. Weather is crazy. It's always changing. So temperature means hot or cold. So it's still going to be hot since we're in the summertime. The weather is what's coming out of the sky or what's not coming out of the sky. So there's one more. So 1, 2, there's 2, and the only one. So there's one more sunny day this week. Now we've been in school. We've been in school now for 8 whole days. Whew, that's a long time. It seems like a long time some days. So I'm going to move a dot here into our tens frame. And so let's look at our tens frame. What do you notice with our tens frame? I noticed that there are 5 dots up here and 3 dots here. You can make an addition statement, something we're going to learn about, adding 2 numbers together, combining 2 numbers together. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. So we can make addition sentences. Something else I noticed, there's 2 blanks here. So how many days until we've hit 10? 2. Good job. We have 2 more days until we've hit 10 days in the school. 110. This will come in handy, knowing your tens, counting by tens, because we want to make sure that we can count by tens because it's a lot easier to count by tens than by ones. So it's important that we start learning how to count by tens. So once we start counting, once we get to this whole 10, we're going to start counting by tens. Okay, now let's go to our place value chart. So we have 7 plus 1 more is 8. So 7 plus 1 more is 8. So we have 8 ones. That means the number 8. Simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's go to our tally marks now. And we need to add 1 more to make what number? What number are we working on today? Let's count. So we know that this is 5. Let's count on. 6, 7, 8. Good job. So now we have 8 tally marks. Let me move this down a little bit because that's going to drive me nuts. We have 8 tally marks. In 2 more days, we can make another 5, which will help us count 5s, 10s, 15, 20. Oh, I shared too much, but that's okay because eventually we're going to be counting by 10s and by 5s. So when you see it like this, 4 plus 1 more going across, that means 5. And then we can just count on 5, 6, 7, 8. So counting on is a skill that you're going to be learning this year. So not just starting counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can go, oh, you know what? This is 5. I'll just count on 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's fill in our hundreds chart. There we go. So the number that goes after 7 is 8 right here. So I'm going to start here. And when I go to the right, like my mouse is going, I'm going to the number that is after. So when I say going after, I mean we're going this way to the right. So here's 2. What number comes after 2? Boop, 3. What number comes after 3? 4. What number comes after 4? 5. What's after? 6. What's after? 7. What's after? 8. So we counted the numbers that are after each other. And then later we're going to do the numbers before. Ooh. Okay, so just know that this was our morning lesson. So I hope you were counting with me, doing our movements, counting with me, listening. You will have 1, 2 activities maybe after this. I think that's it. I think that's it for our morning lesson. We did our morning calendar. So I will see you at our next recording. Bye.